How to enable voice chat in Roblox on PlayStation 5. So, hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable voice chat in Roblox on PlayStation 5. So, let's get started. First, power up your PlayStation 5 and sign into your account. So, once you're logged in, head over to the Roblox app on your console. Now, from the top right corner of the screen, tap the More button, and after that go to Settings, where you'll need to enable cross-platform play to ensure that voice chat works properly. So make sure that this option is turned on, and once that's done, press the Game Base button on your controller and close Roblox completely. And after you've done that, check if there are any available updates for the game. If there is no update, move ahead with the next step. Now press the home button on your controller to go back to the main menu. From there, go to Settings, then choose Users and Accounts. Scroll down a bit and click on Other. You will see an option to restore licenses. Go ahead and click that button. This will take a few moments, so just be patient. Once the license restoration is done, return to your game base, go to the Settings menu on the top right, and then select Voice Chat Settings. From here, enable your microphone. You can then test the mic and adjust the input level to ensure it's at the right volume. If the microphone level is too low, turn it up, or if it's too high, lower it. Next, make sure to enable the Share Your Voice option. Then for voice chat connection, set it to Auto. To finalize everything, restart your PS5 to apply all settings, and once your PS5 reboots, launch Roblox again, and you should now be able to use voice chat in the game. So that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.